Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, May 4th, and y'all, I had this epiphany last night, I guess you can call it. I don't know, but I had this idea of I want to start doing more stuff with my channel, and I also want to get more channels, I guess, because I have a lot of stuff that I want to do. And I get discouraged because most people say you have to niche down, and it's like, I don't want to niche down. I have so many things that I want to try. So I'm about to start probably 2 more channels, not right now, but I think today I am about to start a second channel. I just want it to be like a techie channel. Me and my husband had a channel before. I was doing videos on there. I got a lot of views on there, but I want to make my own techie channel with some kind of cute little name. That's what I kind of plan on doing today. Y'all, Naya, look. Say hey. Cheese. Okay, I have a lot of things on my mind. First thing, let me show you guys this. So I'm going to Dermaplan today. Really excited about that. These are the razors that I got for my face. Don't mind my face, it looks kind of dry right now. I just washed it and then I toned it. So I put some oil on it. Let's go. Y'all, I was talking this whole time and not even recording. So I was saying I was wishing that my tripod was a little bit taller than this, because I'm just a little bit taller than it, but you can still see what I want to do. But not really sure how this is gonna work because I need to see the mirror. So we might have to go into my second bathroom. So excuse me, baby. Let's head to the other bathroom. So this is the oil I picked. It's a jojoba oil from Walmart. It's for balancing facial oil for all skin types. Ooh, about to drop it. So I'm about to try this out, y'all. What I'm going to do, I've seen a couple videos about it, but I don't really remember exactly what they did. So I'm going to do, I was thinking about doing my normal, like I always do lotion and this oil at night and sometimes during the day. But I think what I'm going to do is just open this up. Maybe I could turn y'all a little more this way. Put my oil on. I've seen different people did different motions. Some people went up, some people went down. I think I'm gonna go down. Nothing's coming up really at all, y'all. Okay, so apparently I really didn't have anything to get off my face. I don't have a hairy face. The only thing where I really have hair is like my sideburns. So I took those down a good bit. But this is what I got off. And like I said, these are my sideburns. If y'all can see it. It at least did something. Now I'm gonna put a little water on my face. Just to get some of that oil down. And also I'm trying to see if I have like any cuts or anything. And to get off any leftover hair that may have spread around my face from my sideburns. I have been using an eye cream sometimes. This is the one I have. I had seen different reviews about it was a good eye cream and it was also a cheap eye cream. So this is the e.l.f. illuminating eye cream is what I got. My child is down here playing with one of my shoes. But the whole purpose, I wanted an eye cream because I don't get much sleep at night with the baby, and then we also have a 1-year-old. She still randomly wakes up during the night. Thankfully my husband, he actually helps me out with her during the night, but the baby, I have him all during the night by myself. It is a lot, y'all. I don't even know if If it's supposed to help with like tired eyes or not, really. If y'all know of any products to help balance the face and brighten your face, also to get rid of these dark marks. I have 2 dark marks that I had got from a dermatologist had prescribed me some medicine that was way too strong for my skin. And y'all, it caused big holes in my skin, like whole holes in my skin. It was super bad, and my whole face was flaking, and it was bad, bad.
She lays beside me, I feel her.